Hey, how's it going? So, I bought what I found was the cheapest pocket knife on Amazon. My kids are always looking for knives, and they're not the most responsible in terms of losing them. So I figured, what the heck? So right now I have this Tac Force. I'll post a link to this down below, and we'll see if it's any good. So I got the orange one. That way it's a little harder to lose, and it is a open assist. You can see it's got the locking mechanism there. It's fairly smooth. Again, Tac Force. It is a TF764 stainless steel, designed in America and made by your favorite communists over in China. So let's see. Is this thing sharp out of the box? We'll grab a piece of paper. Yeah, not too bad. It'll cut paper. Sure, this thing will open Amazon packages right out of the box. I have a piece of just a red oak. Yeah, so it's sharp enough to cut paper out of the box, but probably not much else. So let's go ahead and give this thing a sharpen, and let's see how she does. Of course, I'm going with the benchtop guided sharpening system. I'll post a link to this one as well. I'm going to start out with the diamond coarse, because I don't know what this edge is ground to, so I like to grind everything to the 20 degrees. And I use the coarse when I'm starting a new bevel. So we'll unlock it so that it can pivot. Again, that just keeps blade engagement. And all you do is you just put the knife, you line it up with that guide, and then you just draw it across. I'll put it down here so I can use two hands. But you see this thing kind of tilts along with the knife as you pull it across. Then you come back the other way. Of course, you can also use your left hand, but then it just feels like someone else is sharpening the knife. That's not as much fun. All right, so we finished the course. You can see it doesn't harm the finish of the blade at all. So I really like this sharpening system. In fact, it's probably my favorite of the work sharp items. So after course, I'm going to go through the fine and then the extra fine. So let's go ahead and get that done. All right, we'll set that aside and we'll go with this. I like the ceramic stone on here. Again, I got the 20-degree bevels on here. I like to sharpen most of my knives to 20 degrees. And we'll give a couple passes on the ceramic stone. All right, now that that's done, we'll go ahead and give it a quick strop on the leather strop. Take the 20-degree guides off here. We'll pull off the extra fine. And we'll put on the leather strap with, it's got honing compound on there and petroleum jelly. I did a video on these two products. If you're only going to get one work sharp product, this is the one. But I have found myself using this one quite a bit more than, since I made that video, than I originally had. So we'll give it a couple strops. All right, let's see if it passes. I don't have a whole lot of hair left. Let's see if it passes the manly sharpness test. Oh yeah. And we got quite a bit of what little hair was left is now gone. All right, let's see if it passes the sharpness test. Oh yeah. Yep. So I think that'll work. See if it'll sharpen any of this red oak. Yeah, a little better. I mean, it's not exactly a fine whittling knife. Yep. Moderate pressure. I mean, it's red oak, so it's hard as wood go. Yeah. I think that'll work. See if it'll still cut paper. Oh yeah. Oops. Find a good edge of paper here. Yeah. Does take, yeah, you can close it one-handed too. It's got a pretty smooth mechanism. Yeah, I think for what it is, for a really cheap knife, it's got a good pocket clip. You cannot place, it doesn't, at least it doesn't appear to me, you can put the clip on the other side. So it's just got the clip on one side. But, you know, for a couple of bucks, what do you expect? The handle, it's, you know, it's pretty slip resistant. I don't know what it is. Maybe ABS plastic. Not sure. I'm not sure how color fast it is or how much that'll scratch off. But this is called the Snowblind camo pattern. Yeah, I'm digging it. I like it. I think it's a good knife to let your neighbor borrow or let your kids carry around in the woods, or just as a backup knife just to keep in your glove box for the price. Yeah, edge retention seemed like it was okay. I mean, probably not. I don't know much about TF764 stainless, but yeah, not too bad for a couple bucks. I would buy another one. As a matter of fact, I probably will. Anyway, I hope these videos are helpful. I just put out another video testing the cheapest headlamp on Amazon. I'll put a link somewhere around here if you want to check that video out. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. So, thanks for watching.